guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's CVS haul. I'm back at CVS to see what deals I can be able to pick up. Make sure you're checking your Ibotta and you're scanning your items at the store to make sure they're attaching to the deals that you think they will attach to. And if this is your first time here, I would like to also welcome you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Let's see what deals we can be able to find and what coupons and CRTs that will work on them. For my first transaction, I have a 5 off of 30 net purchase CRT that I received in my email that I'll be using. The first deal I'll be adding to it will be on the Crest toothpaste. It's on sale for $3.99, but the deal is when you buy 2, you get $3 back, and it's a limit of 2. So what I'll be doing is picking up 4 of them. That way I'll be maxing the deal. I'll be getting $6 back instead of getting $3 back because I'm doing it twice. Everybody received a 6 off of 4 digital coupon today that will apply to this. And there is another $2 off of 1 digital coupon that can double dip. But I will not be using that. I'll be using 2 from December PNG, two $2 paper coupon. That will bring it down to $5.96. I'll pay that and get $6 back, making all 4 items free and a 4-cent money maker. But I'll be adding this to the 5 off of 30 net purchase CRT to even make it a better deal. Let me go pick up the rest of the items I need. Next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the household deal. It's on spend 15, get $5 back and buy 1, get 1 half off. Ajax is included, which is cheaper, but I'll be focusing on the Palmolive dish soap. I'll pick up 4 of the Palmolive dish soap priced at $4.99. 2 of them will be full price and 2 of them will be half off. That will bring it up to $14.97. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you can be able to get your $5 for spending 15. And I'll use a 75-cent coupon I got from coupons.com. I'll use 4 of those. If I don't have any net purchase CRT and I'm doing this by itself, in case you don't have one, you will end up paying for $11.97 and get back $5, making all 4 items $6.97 or $1.74 each. But since I'm adding this to 5 off of 30, it will be a better deal. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction, and I'll have the 5 off of 30 net purchase CRTs I'll be using, 4 of the 75-cent coupon I got from coupons.com that will apply to this, and the 6 off of 4 digital coupon for the Crest, and also 2 of the $2 paper coupon. Check your app. We also have a $2 in case you don't have up to 2 of the $2 paper coupon from December PNG. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out. These are all the items I picked up. 4 of the Crest toothpaste and 4 of the Palmolive. And you can see 2 of them are full price and 2 of them are half off. Let's look at how all my coupons came off. Everything worked out fine. All the 75-cent coupons came off. The $2 also came off for each of the toothpaste. And the 6 off of 4 digital coupon came off as well. My 5 off of 30, and also used a $10 extra care box. Paid $2.92 out of pocket. And I got back my $6 for doing the Crest twice. That's the $6. And also got $5 for spending 15. The Crest ended up being free. And for the Palmolive, it ended up costing me $1.97 for all 4 of them, or 49 cents each. Next deal I'll be doing will be on the Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tool. It's on spend 20, you get $5 back, and this is a limit of 6. But I will do mine twice, that way I will get $10 back. I'll be picking up 3 of these Glossy Shine, priced at $11.49. I have 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free. That means I'll be paying for 1 and 2 of them will be free with the CRT. If your store accepts expired CRT up to 2 days, try to print yours out, because I printed mine out. My store accepts that. Mine expired yesterday, but I can still use it with the one I received today to help bring it down. We all received the mystery CRT of $3 that will apply to this also. These 3 items came up to $34.47, which is not within the 98% rule of $40. So let me grab the next item. The next item I'll be adding will be the Revlon Emery board, priced at $4.99. Remember, this is Revlon Cosmetics or Beauty Tool, so this also qualifies for the deal. This will bring me up to $39.46. And when all the CRTs come off, I will end up paying just $9.48 and I'll get $10 back, making all 4 items free and a 54-cent money maker. But I would not be doing this deal by itself. I'll be adding it to 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT I received at the end of my receipt. Let me go pick up the any Nivea body wash and I'll show you guys how it works. The men is priced at $5.49, but I'll be focusing on the women with this particular transaction. It's priced at $6.49. One will be full price and one will be half off. I will also use a 4 off of 2 coupon from 1113 Save. That will bring it down to $5.74 and I'll get $5 back, making both items 74 cents or 37 cents each, in case you don't have next purchase CRT. And I'm also explaining it this way in case you don't have that. That way you can still be able to know what to use to do it. Next day will be on the Nivea body lotion or shave product, but I'll be doing the lotion. It's different from the body wash. It's on buy 2, you get $5 back. I'll be picking up 2 of these 8 ounces, 8.4 ounces, priced at $6.59. In today's insert, there is a 4 off of 2, but I'll still be using the one I got from 1113 Save insert, like the body wash. That will take off 4, bringing it down to $7.18. I will get $5 back, making both items $2.18 or $1.09 each if you don't have any next purchase CRT, but I'll be adding mine to the 10 off of 70. Next deal I'll be adding will be on the Gold Bond hand or body lotion. The deal is spend $20, you get $10 back. Limit of 1. The first item I'll be picking up will be on the Diabetic Dry Skin Relief, 13 ounces, priced at $11.99. And the next one will be on the Radiance Renewal Cream Oil, priced at $7.79. That will bring it up to $19.78. I will use 2 $1.50 coupon I got from coupons.com. And I think there is one in today's insert, $3.50 off of 2. I don't have any insert, so I'll be using the one I got from coupons.com. If you don't have any next purchase CRT, you will end up paying $16.78 and get back 10. And submit your receipt to Ibotta. There is $1.50 on each one of them, limit of 5. This will end up being just $5.28 or $2.64. Let me put everything I'll be using the 10 off of 70 to buy, and I'll show you guys every coupon I'll use. These are everything I'll be picking up in this transaction. I added the Crest toothpaste to it. This is on a different account. And that's the 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT I got at the end of my receipt. The Gold Bond, I have a $1.50 from coupons.com that I'll apply to each one. If you have the $3.50, that will work better. And I have the $4 CRT, Alvin CRT that is attaching to the Emery board. This is from last week. 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free for the Revlon. And for the Crest, is the same as the last time, 6 off of 4. And I'll also be using 2 of the $2 from December P&G. For the body wash, I have a 4 off of 2 from 1113 Save insert that will apply to this. Likewise, the lotion, I have a 4 off of 2 coupon from 1113 Save insert that will also work on it. And the $2 is supposed to double dip, but I will tell you guys how everything works out when I check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. It's a long receipt, so let's focus on the coupons and the CRT. It almost worked out fine, but I'm okay because it still ended up being a money maker with the whole transaction. The 4 off of 2 coupons came off for the Nivea, but the $2 did not double dip for the lotion. The next $2 you're seeing is for the Crest. Both came off fine. And the $1.50 I got from coupons.com for the Gold Bond also came off. And the next $6 is the 6 off of 4. The buy 2 get 1 free for the Revlon. Everything came off fine. The 10 off of 70 I used, and the $4 off of All May Cosmetics. It adjusted down to $3.77. I don't know why that happened, but that's still okay. And the $3 mystery coupon everybody received today. I ended up using a $33 extra care box to pay for this. Pay $4.36 out of pocket. Got back $10 for doing Revlon twice. I spent almost $40. I was within the 98% rule. And the next $5 I got back is for the Nivea body wash for buying 2. $6 back for doing the Crest twice, limit of 2. and $10 back for the gold bond. Spend 20, get $10 back. And the last one is $5 back for buying 2 of the Nivea body lotion. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $1.64 money maker after I received my $1.50 back twice from Ibotta. And the last item I picked up from CVS this week is the vitamin C, priced at $4.49, and it's also on sale for buy one get one half off, but I only needed one for the rebate. I scanned it on Ibotta and I have 2 rebates. One is $3 and one is $2. I just paid the $4.49, got $5 back, making it free and a 51-cent money maker. And this concludes my video for this week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.